Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Today we are going to discuss about the topic how to get into the software industry. So if you are someone who's struggling or if you are someone who's studying final year or if you are interested to get into software field, do this follow this. It will be very useful for you. So which if you're having confusion like which language to choose, which industry I can get into it, all these stuffs. If you still want to get into software industry, don't overcomplicate it. Don't switch between the different languages. Stick to one languages as possible as you can, because when you switch between the languages, right, you only know the basics of all language. You don't go deep into, not even you don't go deep into a particular language, because you get a lot of questions when you go for the interview. Okay, so stick to one language. If you are interested Java, just go for it. If you are interested in .NET, just go for it. If you are interested in Python, just go for it. If you are interested in UX design, just concentrate on that. Don't switch between multiple languages. When you switch multiple languages, you lose interest at all. It's a waste of time. Because I did this mistake in the past. You guys should not do it. Okay, so the demand is very low nowadays for the software industry. The demand is very less, but there is more supply. Okay, there'll be heavy competition right now. I know after this introduction of chat gpt, copilot, all these ai, all these manipulations, right, it has become easier, to be very frank. So for example, if I get one scenario, before the AI invention, I need to struggle a lot to get the job done. Now I can simply write it in the Copilot or Chat GPT. This is my input. I want an output like this. It just coded in such a way. I am from JavaScript background. I can easily relate to this. So earlier, I used to take 6 to 7 hours for the complex manipulations. Now I just need only 15 minutes for those complex manipulations. I just give a JSON. I just ask a Chat GPT or a Copilot to give a condition in simple English language. He just converted that as a code in a JavaScript. It has become very easy nowadays. Okay, don't overcomplicate yourself studying too much of things. If you interest in Java, go deep into it. Also, don't switch between the databases like NoSQL, SQL databases. So stick to one databases. If you are interested in NoSQL, if you are just go deep into it. At least learn basic about it. Okay, it is nothing wrong to learn a basic about it. That's what. So if you are a UX designer, if you want to be UX designer, it is very difficult nowadays. Go to internship, do the project on your own. Those things only going to help you a lot. Searching for the job is not at all going to help you. That is just a 10% of it. On daily basis, you have to go through different designs and design patterns, and dribbles and all the community design community. I know it's very difficult task, but it is not easy. Whatever the opportunity comes, just grab it. Even with a low salary, don't go for the big salary at all. I mean, if you get a job, that is well and good. If you're still getting paid less, just go for it. You're going there to learn for 1 to 2 years. Struggle, put 100% effort. Okay, so if you are someone who wants to switch between from other industry to software industry, just go for a testing job, manual testing. That is entry level. Once you are comfortable in the company for 6 to 1 year, just on the other side, you can you can read HTML. I mean, you can read for web development. It is an easy entry for anyone to start with this. Web development and the software testing is an easy way to enter into software field. Once you get into it, right, with your knowledge, your knowledge is going to pay you a lot of money. No one is going to stop you there. The entry level is way more difficult now, because there's so much of competition. People are well aware of everything. Unless If you are not able to make a website on your own using like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, if you don't know any, if you don't know how to create a best design in Figma, you're not at all going to land in a job, to be very frank now. So whatever you are interested, go deep into it. Use a Copilot and a Chat GPT. Make your life easier. Don't overcomplicate it. And the basics, you have to be strong in basics. That's the first thing. Okay. Then, sorry, using this Chat GPT, leverage your coding skill more productively. So it's a different ball game. Once you get into a job, you can use all these AI to improve your productivity, but getting a job is very difficult. Okay, so for the entry level, go for manual testing. After spend 1 year, just on the other side, you can learn some different languages. Then switch from there. The company itself, people easily can give opportunity. Okay, if you are interested, people ready to give you opportunity. Okay, you have to showcase this your potential to everyone. Like this language I studied, I'm very interested to switch. They will offer you a job, to be very frank. Okay, start with very small. I know in current situation it is very difficult to crack an interview because people, everyone is self-aware. People are now equally knowledgeable nowadays. If you are not going to above that level, life is going to be very tough. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.